Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to upsell in Hostinger website builder. First, we will see how to do little upsells for your physical products and also how to might work around digital product upsells. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add an upsell on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first step is to jump to the store area. Now let's start with how to upsell with with a physical product. Simply go to settings and go to checkout, and below shopping bag settings click on this checkbox next to show additional product suggestions in shopping bag. Save this option, then switch to the website builder in order to update your website and publish this upsell. Click on view site. Now if I go to this online store, let's try with this product for example, and if I click on this add to bag button, I will see my selected product here, and just below it I will see this section called you may also like, with my with my first three products suggested. Now to edit these products here, or this upsell products, just go back to the website builder, switch to the store management area, go to settings, checkout, click on manage category. Here you will see all the available products on your store, and just order the first the products that you want to upsell here, the first three ones, and click on save. Don't forget to update your website from this website builder page. Now if I refresh this page, click on add to bag, I will see the first product, the second one, and for the third one I think it was out of stock. This is why it does not show up here. And this is how to upsell for a physical product. Now let's see how to upsell for with a digital product. First I will create my digital product from in my online store. I will upload my image. This is a weekly digital planner product, and here in the digital products, instead of uploading my file here, I will click on add link. Now here, instead of linking to your file download page, link for example to a YouTube video page where you try to upsell them, saying for example. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video, where you try to upsell them, saying for example Why settle for weekly digital planner? Your current planner gives you a structure, but the annual planner bundle gives you vision, momentum, and balance. And in your YouTube video, and yes, in your YouTube video, try to upsell them with a discount, for example. And below your video or in your YouTube video description, give them the weekly planner download link in the case they didn't want to opt for the upsell. So this is your strategy. Let's say this is your YouTube video where you upsell, use it here and click on save. Now don't forget to update your website from the website builder page to publish this product. Click on view site. Let's go to all products. This is my weekly planner product. Now, if I buy this weekly planner product, after completing the purchase, I will land on my upsell YouTube video where sometimes they opt for the bundle product. Here you need to create another product in your online store. Call it, for example, digital planner bundle, and they will buy another product. And if they don't opt for this upsell, they can download their default product or their the first product in the YouTube video description. And this is how to upsell in Hostinger website builder. Yes, I know it is not something straightforward, but this is the workaround I found for you. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.